Welcome to Electrical Storehouse. Today we are going to discuss about SSCJ previous year MCQs. So let's get started. The first question is Moho relay is normally used for the protection of, and options are long transmission line, medium length line, short length line and no length criteria. The answer will be option A, long transmission line. Moho relay or admittance relay is used for the protection of long transmission line. And what about medium and short transmission line? So, impedance relay is used for medium transmission line and reactance relay is used for short transmission line. Okay. Next question is a lightning arrestor is usually located nearer to, and options are bus bar, transformer, circuit breaker and isolator. Correct answer is option B, transformer. Lightning arrestor are used to protect the terminal equipment of a power substations. Lightning arrestor is the first and also last equipment of the substation. Okay. Next question is a relay performs the function of, and options are fault isolation, fault detection, fault prevention and all of the above. The correct answer is fault detection. Relay is a device which is used to sense or detect the fault and send the signal to circuit breaker to trip the circuit and clear the fault. Next question is by burden of a relay we mean, and options are volt ampere rating of relay, current rating of relay, voltage rating of relay and watt rating of relay. The answer will be A, volt ampere rating of relay. Basically, in selection of instrument transformer for relaying, burden of CT means current transformer is considered. It is the maximum secondary load permitted and it is expressed as VA rating means volt ampere rating. Okay. So next question is HRC fuse provide best protection against, and options are open circuit, overload, reverse current and short circuit. So correct answer is option D, short circuit. HRC means high rupturing capacity. Next question is the recovery voltage will be maximum for power factor of, and options are 0, 0.5, 0.707 and unity. Correct answer is A, 0. Recovery voltage is the voltage appearing across the breaker poles when arc extinguished. We can also say that it is the voltage that appears across the constant after circuit breaker is opened. Active recovery voltage EAR is equal to K EM and sin phi. Okay, sin phi. That's why EAR directly proportional sin phi. EAR means active recovery voltage. Hence, EAR will be maximum for 0 power factor. Okay. So next question is the rating of fuse is expressed in terms of, and options are ampere, volt, VAR, kVA. Correct answer is ampere. Option A. Fuse is a device inserted in the circuit for prevention from overload or short circuit condition. Fuse melt when excessive current flow through it, and current rating is the current which fuse element can normally carry without overheating. Okay, so The rating of fuse is expressed in terms of ampere. So next question is, an air blast circuit breaker is usually employed for, and options are instantaneous voltage, intermittent duty, repeated duty, and short duty. Correct answer is repeated duty. Option C. Air blast circuit breaker operates repeatedly. They are used for interconnected lines and important lines when repeated or rapid operation is desired. They are used in range of 132 kV to 400 kV with breaking capacity up to 7000 MVA megavolt ampere. Okay. Because of repeated duty, the application of ACB is traction system and arc furnaces. So next question is, the making current of 3-phase breaker with rating 2000 MVA 33 kV will be, and options are 35 K, 50 K, 70 K and 89 K. Here you can observe the solution. The question: making current of 3-phase breaker with rating 2000 MVA 33 kV will be. So given that MVA rating S is equal to 2000 MVA, its breaking capacity, and rating is 33 kV, means rated voltage. So breaking current is equal to IB is equal to S upon root 3 into V. So put the value S and V and calculate. We get the breaking current 34.99 kA kiloampere. Now we calculate the making current. So making current is equal to 2.55 into breaking current. So put the value of breaking current and calculate the making current. Here we will get the making current 89.2 kiloampere. So the answer will be option D, 89 kiloampere. Okay. If you remember that formula, you can solve the question. So next question is, Buchholz relay cannot be used on, and options are 500 kV transformer, 1000 kV transformer, 3-phase transformer and air cooled transformer. So Buchholz relay cannot be used on air cooled transformer, means option D. Buchholz relay, also called gas actuated relay. Buchholz relay is used where oil cooling is used in transformer. Okay, next question is, the lightning arrestor is connected. Options are in series with the line, between line and earth, to a pole near the line, and circuit breaker. So correct answer is option B, between line and earth. Lightning arrestor is a protective device which conducts high voltage surges on the power system to the ground or earth. So next question is, differential relay are used to protect the equipment against. Options are internal fault, reverse current, over voltage and over current. Correct answer is internal fault, means option A. Differential relay is used for the localized fault or internal fault. It is generally used to protect the transformer and generators. Differential relay is relay which operate when the phase difference of two or more similar electrical quantities like current, voltage exceeds a predetermined value. So differential relay is only for internal fault. So next question is, during arcing ground condition, the phase voltage of the system rises to, and options are 15 times its normal value, 10 times its normal value, 5 to 6 times its normal value, and under root 3 times its normal value. So correct answer is under root 3 times its normal value. Arcing ground is a phenomenon in ungrounded three-phase system because of the capacitive current. The voltage across the capacitance is phase voltage. During the fault, voltage across the capacitance reduced to zero in the faulted phase, while in other phases the voltage is increased by the factor of root 3 times. Okay, and also remember that surge voltages due to arcing ground can be eliminated by using arc suppression coil or Peterson coil. So next question is, compared to the breaking capacity of a circuit breaker, its making capacity should be, and options are more, less, equal. The two are unrelated to each other. So correct answer is option A, more. Making capacity is more than the breaking capacity of circuit breaker. Making capacity of circuit breaker is equals to 2.55 into breaking capacity. It's symmetrical breaking capacity. Okay, and breaking capacity IB equal to under root 3 IB means breaking current, VB means rated voltage in MVA. Okay, hence making capacity is more than the breaking capacity of circuit breaker. So next question is, resistance switching is normally employed in, and options are bulk oil breakers, minimum oil breakers, air blast circuit breaker, and all of the above. Correct answer is air blast circuit breaker, option C. Resistance switching is mainly employed in air blast circuit breaker during current chopping. Resistance switching is employed in breakers having high post zero resistance of contact space. If high voltage appears across the circuit breaker contact, which may cause serious damage. To prevent this damage, resistance switching is used by connecting a resistance across the breaker contacts. Okay. So next question is, in a motor starter, the electromechanical contactor provides inherent protection against, and options are overcurrent, short circuit, single phasing, and under voltage. So correct answer is under voltage. In a motor starter, the electromechanical contactor provides inherent protection against under voltage. Next question is, magnetic blowout coils are generally used in, options are vacuum circuit breaker, air brake circuit breaker, air blast circuit breaker, and oil circuit breaker. Correct answer is air brake circuit breaker. In air brake circuit breaker, the arc extension and contact separation take place in air at atmospheric pressure. Some air circuit breaker are used in circuits having voltage up to 11 kV. The arc extension is done using magnetic field provided by the current in blowout coils connected in series with the circuit being interrupted. Such coils are called blowout. The coil magnetic field itself does not extinguish the arc, but it moves the arc into queued to lengthen the arc and cool it and extinguish it. So next question is, in a thyroid lightning arrestor, the resistance, options are, is high at low current and low at high current, is low at low current and high at high current, increase linearly with the applied voltage, decrease linearly with the applied voltage. Correct answer is A, is high at low current and low at high current. Basically, thyroid lightning arrestor is used for the protection of the system against high dangerous voltages. It involves non-linear resistors. It operates on the fact that thyroid has high resistance decreasing rapidly from high value to low value for current at low value to those of high value. When lightning takes place, voltage is raised and resistance falls to very low value to pass the surge to the ground or earth. Okay, so next question is, isolator are capable of breaking and options are fault current, no load, load current and charging current. Correct answer is option D, charging current. Isolators are not capable of breaking any appreciable current and their operation is normally interlocked to ensure that this does not occur. They are, however, capable of breaking the small charging current of bus bars. Okay, so isolators are capable of breaking charging current. I hope this MCQ series you will understand. Thank you for watching my video.